In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom quiz at Curioasis. We start from the home page at curioasis.com. Then we go to the Parent and Teacher Center from the bottom navigation bar. This page shows you what are the benefits of using a login account. Take a look at the terms of use. If you're okay, check the box and log in with Google account. Confirm the age requirement. After you're logged in, you will see the top tabs with options to reserve a name, manage your live rooms, and manage your quizzes. I want to add a new quiz. My quiz title is Mars Facts. You can change the creator name from the default from Google account to anything else. You can add a background image for your quiz so it looks better when it appears in Quizu gallery. So I just use Google search to find some images of Mars and choose one to be my background. Right-click the image and copy image address. Paste the address here, save, and preview. Looks okay. Use the plus button to add a question. My first question is, true or false? Mars is smaller than Earth. You can add as many choices as you want. For this one, just true or false. When I move my cursor away from the text box, a new choice appears. And that happens every time I remove the cursor away from the text box. And you don't need to worry about the empty choice at the end. It won't appear in your final quiz. And don't forget to select the correct answer. You can also add a background image for every question. Similarly, copy the image address and paste it and save. Preview, looks okay. I want to add another question. How many moons does Mars have? And every time I click away, a new choice appears. And remember to check the correct answer. And also want an image for this one. Let me just use this. Save. You can use the double arrow icon to change the order of the questions. So I just moved the second question to the first place. When you've added all the questions you want, check publicly visible and save. Then people can play it from Quizu. Now exit from the editing view. My new quiz appears in my list of quizzes. I can go back to edit. I can also delete it using the delete button. Now let's go to the home page again. Try it without joining a room just to see how it looks like. Enter Quizu. We can see the new quiz appearing here. Some info about the quiz appears here, the background image. You can like it and play. So the background image appears after the question with the choices on the right. So let's say I pick the wrong choice. The answers are automatically revealed after a 1 minute, after 1 minute timeout, but you can also show the answer anytime you're ready. So since I made a wrong choice, I didn't get any point, and the correct answer is marked with the green box. Go to next question. True or false? Mars is smaller than Earth. 2. Show answer. And I get 1 point. And you can choose to publish it to the sharing center. Success, see it in sharing center. Sharing center is where people can share their results from multiple activities like paint, music making into this place to show off. And you can get a shareable link to a particular object that's shared here. You can also post it to Google Classroom as an assignment submission. Okay, that's the demo of custom quiz at Curioasis.